Hi everyone, this is Steve Vlog, simply the reaction beast, king of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to our channel. Agad-agad gawa na itong reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So, in 1 second longer, I'm really excited to watch this one. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out, what Dawn Bell has to offer. Ay, hello. Bigay bang music dito? Hala. Ay, ang mga bida ng mga yung Donnie. Ba't mga iba yung Donnie? Target lock. Target lock. Ah. Grabe naman yung host namin. Ay! Nanghihina na naman si Donnie kay Belle. Bakit ganyan naman, Donnie? Si Maymay. Ay, yes! Si Maymay talaga, ultimate na shipper talaga to eh. Sa totoo lang. Kahit kay Kim Chiu and Paolo, siya talaga yung nag-bumibis to eh. I love that. I love that, May. Ayan eh. Ayan eh. Ayan eh. Layan, ang ganda ni Belle. Ay, the tingin na that never disappoints. Oh my God, yes, Donnie. Ang grabe si Donnie makatingin. Wait, hala, Donnie, pagmamahal talaga yan, Donnie. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Donnie, pagmamahal sabi siguro ni Donnie, ang galing-galing naman na ang galing-galing naman na magiging nani na magiging anak mo for today's video. Sorry, masyado pong maaga dyan. Pero i-manifest na natin. I-manifest na natin, ma'am. Ay, dumikit si Donnie. Wait. Ay, yes, Donnie. What's with that behavior, Donnie? What's with that behavior, Donnie? Ay, si Delicati. Pogi ni Belinda. Anyways. Ay, ano to? Tanggal angas ni Liam Roja. Tumatanggal talaga. Tanggal talaga. Alam mo, hindi lang dito. Most of the time talaga, pagkasama ni Donnie si Belle, tanggal talaga yung angas niya. Tanggal talaga. Tsaka ang ganda ng smile niya, oh. Pag nag-hug talaga siya, sorry ah. Wait. Pag nag-hug talaga siya, iba talaga yung smile niya eh. May papikit-pikit pa siya ng mata niya. May papikit-pikit talaga siya ng mata niya for today's video. Diba? Ay, target lock na ba? Patingin? Yes, having their own world na naman. Having their own world na naman ang Dawn Bell. Ay, di na pala doon natin to.
Meron naman siya napakilala.
No, he's never had a girlfriend.
At 20?
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Who are you? Solid Dawn Bell. Okay. Solid Dawn Bell si Mami.
I think yung spontaneity
Kay Maris na yan. Ay, excited ako. Ay! Yes! Yes, Donnie.
Dawn Bell for the longest time.
Do you like her?
I am a Dawn Bell fan.
I'm a Dawn Bell fan.
You are.
Okay.
Such a sweet girl.
Thank you, Ben. Who's getting this partnership? Ano ba? Oh my God! Pagboto na ang nanay talaga, ibang usapan na talaga yung pagboto na yung nanay.
Pagdating sa Dawn Bell, saludo ako sa kanila.
Saludo ako sa kanila.
Sila na-inspire ng mga kabataan. Nakakashoot naman talaga sila.
Ay, aprobado ng nanay, hindi mo kaya. Basta ang Mommy Bells na talaga. Okay. Konti lang yung ano nila, atake nila. Ang ganda naman ng compilation na to. Ano pa? Nadarama.
Wish you all the best and keep on doing what you're doing because you are doing such an amazing job.
Yes.
So many young women. Kasi yung confidence mo, pag klase. Dahil napaka-humble niya, tapos totoong tao siya. Napakabait.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Beth.
Happy birthday, Belle. Paligay-ligay, paligay-ligay. Okay. Huwag niyang paligay-ligay, paligay. Ay, si Belle, nahanap niya si
Sabi
Belle.
nga niya sa isang
Ay,
interview kung
ito.
bakit niya naisulat ang kantang ito. And I
Ay,
quote,
when was
"We
this?
are driven by our heartbeat and my heart beats for my wife."
Ay,
Ang sweet naman nun.
Okay, pero iba talaga ang love at suporta na binibigay ni Kuya Ogie kay Ate Reg. Diba kita natin lahat
okay.
yun?
Evident.
To Tito Ogie, inspo ka talaga namin on how to be the ideal husband. Kaya pakinggan na natin siya with a song for his wife, The Songbird.
Donnie, and thank you so much.
Ay, ito na talaga yun. Anyways, ay, this is
Is
nakaraan.
moisturizing part of your skincare routine?
It is very much part of my skincare routine. Actually,
Lalaki si Donnie. God. Ang gwapo talaga. Ching! Ching, tawag shout out. Crush na crush niya si ano. Donnie.
We were sharing a while ago sa media na our mom especially was very strict with us growing up in terms of how we moisturize our skin. Because we always did outdoor sports. So we would run, bike,
Yung
swim,
boses niya, buong-buo.
kind of did other stuff too like gymnastics and
Buong-buo yung boses niya. I love it.
table tennis.
I
Basta
love
lahat
it.
ng sports, hindi lang outdoor, indoor din, na nagiging sweaty na kami, nagiging under the sun rays na kami. So when we get home, kailangan talaga namin moisturize. Pero ako, hindi kasi ako sanay sa ganun. So when I wouldn't follow my mom, I would see the effects of the skin and how dry it would get. And the discoloration as well. So I don't know if a lot of you know this, but when I was a child, yung mga photos ko, parang may white spots, may white patches because of me not moisturizing my skin.
Oh.
So it started with
Okay.
Fire, diba? Talagang passionate.
Ay,
This
that's
generation
Val.
is all about pushing forward, may grit,
Yes.
may persistence. Laban kung laban, meron kaming passion, tapang at tiyaga for our goal.
Yes, that's Belle.
Sanay
Ay,
na rin sila
ganda.
sa kanya natin.
Ang ganda talaga ni Belle.
9.
Gwapo ni Donnie.
Happy New
Eight.
Gwapo ni Donnie. Grabe. Grabe, ang gwapo niya talaga. Diyos ko.
Ten,
Grabe, ang ganda niya.
Zero,
Hala, sa inyo ang isa't isa? Sabay ganun.
4,
Sa inyo na
3.
ang isa't
Ay,
isa.
alam niyo ba, naalala mo, nakasakit KUMU. Yung unang lumabas ka, nayanig ang buong...
Ay, sa komo.
Kaya nga namin.
Kaya nga.
Sana mahanap mo na rin ang nagpapasaya.
Ay,
Salamat, Kuya. Wish ko din yun.
Ay, talaga ba? Darren.
Pero itong susunod naman
Parang may
natin
shade ako
i-feature, isang all-new Popeye. Hindi
Ay,
porket cute ka sa purse.
I really see.
Line kong yun.
Ay! Kiniling siya! Kiniling siya!
Cute ka sa purse.
Ay! Naku, Bel, tigilan mo ako. Bel, nagigilan ko sa'yo.
Ayun, meron na.
Oh my God.
Mine kay Donnie.
Anyways. Gwapo niya talaga. Gwapo niya talaga. Ang gwapo niya talaga. Ay, ano to?
Are you ready to be in a relationship?
If
right
it
now?
happens, it happens. That's what I
Ah.
say. If it's meant for me.
Oo.
Ang ganda ni Bel,
Yung
no?
our supporters, whether that's individual projects or together, they're very supportive talaga.
Ganda pa,
And before
yes!
it rin naman, like,
Kasi nga, Don Bell Empire, Don Bell Bubblies, hindi toxic, unproblematic. Anyways, that is how it for today's video. Don Bell, this is Lady Poplar. See you on my next vlog. Bye!